Introducing BlueVerse Pulse, Hyosung's intelligent self-diagnostic solution for faster and less frequent ATM servicing. The banking self-service channel is evolving, and consumers have greater expectations for ATMs, both in what they can do and when they are available. But when ATMs go down, customers are left frustrated. Trust in the bank begins to slip, and that loss of confidence quickly becomes a burden for the bank. This is why it's critical for banks to stay on top of their ATM fleet operations. ATM faults can happen anywhere, and the root causes can vary, making them more difficult to predict and manage. Even experienced technicians can find it difficult to quickly identify the cause of an ATM malfunction. Even though the same problems may continue to occur, they sometimes require completely different fixes. Some branches still handle these ATM issues manually, while others analyze and resolve the root causes. While both servicing methods have their place, one clearly stands out, delivering faster resolutions and getting ATMs back online with unmatched efficiency. So then what sets these two approaches apart? The difference is BlueVerse Pulse. Hyosung devices with the BlueVerse Pulse engine constantly gather error and fault logs, using machine learning to automatically analyze and diagnose issues. The root cause diagnosis and recommended actions are shared directly from the device, enabling maintenance teams to easily check this information on site. Even less experienced technicians can simply scan a QR code to quickly identify the root cause of any fault and take effective action. Hyosung ATMs equipped with the BlueVerse Pulse engine send collected logs and action data directly to the BlueVerse Pulse server. The BlueVerse Pulse server monitors key component usage and sends early warnings when parts are nearing the end of their lifespan. If a part starts showing more errors than usual and needs attention, BlueVerse Pulse spots these early warning signs and helps trigger a prompt response. The BlueVerse Pulse server also analyzes data sent from Hyosung ATMs and delivers a precise diagnosis, along with root cause solutions, directly to the BlueVerse Pulse app. This means operators can predict problems before they happen and no longer have to wait for issues to arise. Technicians can prepare the necessary parts before, thereby reducing repeat visits and enabling faster repairs. With the help of BlueVerse Pulse, recovery times become faster and faults occur less frequently. It also assists in optimizing spare parts management for potential future issues and prevents unnecessary repeat service calls, ultimately leading to uninterrupted service and improved uptime for greatly reduced operating costs. With BlueVerse Pulse, move beyond simple fixes and take your ATMs to the next level.